Good evening, good morning. So it's 2:50 in the morning. We just got here in Los Angeles after 6 hours of travel. We are finally here. I'm so sleepy. Ayun, nandito kami malapit sa Hollywood, Kineme. Nandito ako sa Hollywood area. Dito kami nag-check-in. Ayun lang, tomorrow again. See you tomorrow. Hopefully we can have a good rest. Good morning! So, it's 9:30 in the morning and we are going to start roaming around Hollywood. We're going to go first in Walk of Fame. So, good morning! Ayan, magcha-check out na rin kami. So, hello guys! So, we're just gonna walk from our hotel to Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ayan, ito yung kinuha kong hotel kasi walking distance siya sa Walk of Fame. So, we don't need to go and find parking kasi mahirap yung parking sa Walk of Fame. Ayun, babalik kami before ng check-out namin ng 11 o'clock. So, yeah. See you later! So, we just made it. We are here in the Walk of Fame. Ayan. Tara, makalat dito oh.
Can I video?
So, ito na pala yung entrance niya. Ayan o. The Dead End Kids. Ito na pala siya. Ayan o. Nandito pala talaga siya sa mga sahig-sahig. Ayan. Gandoon. So, hanapin mo lang kung sino yung gusto mo siya. Okay. Siya. Is it? Ito, Jonas Brothers.
Those Jonas Brothers.
You don't know them? Ah, diba? Backstreet Boys. Oh.
Who's that? Let's see, it's a pattern.
Siya.
Singers can be here.
Sobrang haba pala nitong Walk of Fame na to. So, it's 45 minutes walk. Hindi ko alam kung one way lang yun. Kasi meron pa doon sa kabilang side. Ayan o. Sobrang haba niya. So, I'm so happy nakita ko yung Disneyland. Tapos iba't iba lang siyang mga tawag ito, establishment. At akala ko kasi una, puro ganito lang siya. 8 minutes. Kaya pabalik na rin kami. Ayan siya, o ganyan siya, o. Okay, you take a picture. A Batman. Like this, oh. Batman. Decided to go back to our hotel and check out and eat. Gonna go to Jollibee. Kasi yung Hollywood Walk of Fame sobrang haba. Hindi kami maabutan ng aming check out. Ayun, tsaka ganun lang naman siya. Nakakatawa. Sa funny story, nakita namin si Jackie Chan. But hindi pala siya si Jackie Chan. Jackie Oki pala siya. So, this one is Hollywood High School. Ang ganda ng high school dito. Ang ganda ng school nila, oh. Nice. Hello. So, we're going to have our lunch here sa Jollibee. Usual order. So, we just got here after our lunch. Punta na kami dito sa Griffith Observatory. May free parking naman sila, so it's nice. Yun lang. Grabe, parang kami nagpunta sa Mount Samat. Ganito, doon kami galing sa doon sa parking lot na yun. Paikot dyan, oh. Bakit doon? Meron pa palang parking dito. Ano ba yan? Pagod. So, namiyak na si Yasi, oh. Oh. Kasi grabe naman talaga to. This is 20 minutes walk from our parking na puro backyard. It is really tiring. And I can't blame them. Ayan si Hollywood. Oh. Ayan ni Hollywood. We're going to take a picture. Let's go inside the Griffith Observatory. Si Yasi always grumpy, oh. They can... What is this? What is this? So, I really don't know what's gonna happen here. Yeah. This is for the Big Bang. This is the galaxy, ah. Milky Way galaxy, ah.
The Great Galaxy? The what?
Wow, this is so nice. This is the galaxy.
Me too. It looks like it's going
Let's see. Ilan ka? How many pounds? Ako naman daw. Hey! Let's see. This is my weight on Earth.
Dang!
Okay, this is your weight on Uranus. Oh, what is your weight on Uranus, yate? How about me? This is my weight. Let's see in your favorite.
My favorite.
Okay.
So am I
turn.
light?
You are lighter here.
Oh! First.
Okay, let's see your weight on Jupiter.
Okay.
Okay. My weight on Jupiter is...
You're so heavy.
I'm sorry. Okay, let's see our weight on Venus.
Okay, I'm very light.
100. 50 only.
I'm light.
Okay, my weight on Venus is...
I can't stand it.
Let's see this one. Our weight on Mercury.
Wow, I didn't even.
Wow, you're just like that. How about me?
Okay.
You see? I'm so gaan. Wait. Oh!
9! She's lighter than
Super
us.
light. Let's see our weight on the moon. Si Yasi. Bigat si Yasi. Ay, 10 lang. Ikaw ate.
I'm scared.
And my turn is, what is my weight on the moon? This is the...
I don't think you're going to what?
Tanaw mo ang lahat. Doon yung Hollywood sign. That is the city.
Of the Earth is. This is looking at western north vibrations of the floor. What floor do you suppose that is? That's right, this floor. Okay, this is the detector on the other side of this wall. This one, vibrations of the floor. This is the detector that detects it. So we want to have our feet around here. You gonna jump with us? You gotta jump with us. All right. Okay. All right, I'm gonna ask a few more people. Do you guys to get the best signal? I'll give you a hack. I want feet all over here. We want to have our feet close to the detector. So fill in the space. Come closer, closer. Come closer, closer. Okay, everybody take a step and foot forward. There you go. Okay. Now you can see this, right? So this is the magnet. It's on this outer frame. This is the other two electromagnets. It's on this inner frame. And they're only connected by the string. So as the Earth moves, they move differently. They move separately. It's so faint we can't see it with our eyes. But it's, because it's electronic, the signal's going here, the electronics down here can measure how much that electric field is disturbed, the electromagnetic field. And it sends a signal over there to that pin. See that long pin?
Yeah.
See the little red cap? And then there's that long pin and it's touching the white barrel. It's writing on the paper. Can you see it? Right on the paper? So we're gonna jump, guys, we're gonna jump 15 times, but we're gonna jump, here's the other hack. No floppy, sloppy jumps. We're gonna, everybody jump all together at the same time, okay, team? You do that? Okay. You gotta come over here too. Okay, so this is the detector. Our feet are in the right place, but that pin is what we want to watch. So everybody take a deep breath. Okay, that was a practice breath. We're gonna start again. In. I'm gonna give you a countdown. Breathe in. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna jump now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You guys see it moving? Yes. Did you see it moving?
Hello guys, so kabababa namin sa taas and grabe sobrang nakakapagod as in super duper overly lakad and we cannot go closer sa mismo Hollywood sign kasi 3 hours daw yung back and forth. Tinanong namin dun, so sabi ko no, I'm so tired. Okay na makita ko yun, so yun, pupunta na kami sa Rodeo Drive or Beverly Hills. Yan lang. Bye-bye. Super duper tired. Sa Beverly Hills. Magpi-feeling lang. Feeling Beverly Hills. Kineme lang. Diba paglabas mo ng parking Bulgari, tapos nandun yung Chanel. Ayan na siya. Ay! Maggie, hi! So, ayun, mga branded na dito.
Wait.
Ayun nga, guys. So, nandito kami sa Beverly Hills. Kasi ang problema mo, mga sis, hindi natin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Siyempre, nakakahiya naman kawasak sa mga ganyan. Hindi ka naman bibili. So, hindi ko rin alam talaga kung ano ginagawa namin dito. Nalala, masabi mo lang talaga na nakapunta ka dito, di ba? So, ayan, nag-refresh muna kami. Kanya-kanya kaming. Grabe ka, sobrang, di ba super duper init? Mainit lang. Maaraw, ayan.
Now I'm cold.
You're cold now. Ayan, mag-refresh muna kami at umiinit na yung mga ulo-ulo ng mga bata-bata ko. Tingnan mo to, oh. Meron na kami kanya-kanya. Grabe. Ayun lang, punta muna kami doon. Hindi ko rin talaga alam kung ano talagang gagawin namin here. Wala lang, naglakad-lakad lang kami. Kasi gusto ko makakita ng ano, baka may mga artista. Oh, kanina may nagsushooting pa. Hindi mo sila kilala kung sino. Parang ano siya ng Chanel. Model, ganun.
Mama ate half of it.
Dito, pag nagpunta ka sa side na to, grabe yung mga sasakyan. Mga BMW, Tesla, mga sports car. O, ayan o. Paganyan pa siya o. Sige. Ay, baka artista siya rin. So, it's 5, I think, in the afternoon. And we are here, Santa Monica Pier. Yan lang. Nandito na kami. Nag-change kami ng mga shoes into Crocs. Para wala lang kasi beach vibes. Kineme. Ayan, ayan Santa Monica Pier.
Oh my gosh, I'm so cold.
Tada! Ayan. Daming tao. Ganda dito. Malapit nga. Wow. It's sunset. Daming tao. Ganda.
I'm taking my picture, Mom.
So, yan. Ito siya yung Santa Monica 66, yung Route 66, and the trail. Yan, sobrang daming tao as in. Yan. Pier 39, hindi kami nakababa doon sa may beach
The
area.
sign is true.
Yes. Ayan o, nagsaset na yung sun. Medyo malamig na do, 67 degrees Fahrenheit.
67, 67.
Pero medyo mahangin kasi dahil tabing dagat. Kaya medyo malamig. Mag-video pa tayo. Ayan o, need niya the money for me.
Mama, now can we go over there?
Yes, you can go there now.
But where do we put our clocks?
Di magka-crocs muna kayo hanggang sa makarating tayo doon. Dito na kami. Ito kasi
Wait,
gusto
can I
ng tao.
just go? Can I just remove it and then hold it?
Okay. Hold on.
Wait, over there?
Ah,
Fluffy. Mama, feel it. It's so fluffy.
is it?
Ow, ow.
Ay, dito muna ako. Ayoko dyan. Ayan, I'm going to give them 20 minutes to play. At ito yung pinakagusto nila sa lahat. At para sa kanila rin naman tong trip na to. So they deserve to be happy. Low tide. Ayan, their time is up for playing sands in water. They are wet. Come on! Doon sila magbabanlaw. May banlawan doon ng mga paa-paa. Kasi yan, pumunta na kami sa Chowking para mag-dinner. And then, we're going to Las Vegas. Ang laki-laki ng Asian. Parang more on Filipino talaga siya na store. Ang galing. Parang sa Pilipinas dito. Tapos may Jollibee, tapos Chowking. Tapos may mga
I'm
ano
gonna
doon.
find
No?
the steak, okay?
Crispy, silog. Kineme. Okay. Ang galing dito. Parang ano, mall ng pang Pilipinas.